Hello everyone, welcome to the Assorted bag. So I'm back today again with a very simple yet confusing topic. We're going to look at the right way of using before, ago and back. So let's take an example. So look at the sentence here. I sent the parcel 4 months before. So do you think it's correct? I sent the parcel 4 months before? Well, no. In this case, the use of before is definitely not correct. So in the formal tone, you would be using ago here. So instead of before, this particular sentence needs to be written as I sent the parcel 4 months ago. Or in an informal tone, you can make use of back and frame the sentence as I sent the parcel 4 months back. So instead of before, you can actually replace and frame the sentence correctly with the use of ago and back. So when we're making use of ago and back, we are talking about past times from the present time. So when you are at the present moment and referring to something that has happened in the past, you make use of ago or back. But on the other hand, when you are referring to a past time from another time in the past, that's when you make use of before. So when making use of ago and back, ensure that you're talking about something that happened in the past but at the present scenario. But when you're making use of before, you're talking about something that happened in the past but from a past moment or past situation. So let's see the use of before through an example. Say, look at the scenario or the sentence. I missed my flight yesterday. I reached the airport at 8:30 a.m. but the flight had taken off 10 minutes before. So you see here, we are talking about the past and also referring to a past situation. That is, so-and-so missed the flight yesterday and also the flight had taken off 10 minutes before. 10 minutes before, that is also an occurrence that happened yesterday. So the person reached the airport at 8:30 a.m. but the flight had taken off 10 minutes before. So both the situations are referring to a past moment. So therefore, we make use of before. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell icon, and I shall see you all soon again. Till then, thank you for watching. Take care and bye-bye.